together we play. It's a beautiful autumn day. The sun shines a gentle light. The gentle breezes run freely through the jungle. All the animals are gathering for a good time. The kangaroo jumps, taking big leap forward. The squirrels juggles, throwing nuts up and down. The bear spins the hoop, moving round and round. The monkey eats bananas, taking bites after bites. Everyone is happy, but Tiger, he never smiles. Tiger, do you want to jump with me? Asked the kangaroo. Let's juggle some nuts, says the squirrel. Why don't we spin the hoops together, Tiger? The bear suggests. The monkey also tries. Shall we eat bananas? Tiger gets angry and he screams. No, leave me alone. He thinks, I am the king of the jungle. I don't want to play with them. I need to show them my power. Then he goes back to sleep. Suddenly, a little mouse bumps into Tiger. The little mouse quickly apologizes and asks, Mr. Tiger, why don't you play on this beautiful day? Tiger shakes his head. I don't want to play. The little mouse doesn't give up. Play with me, Mr. Tiger. Play with me. After a while, Tiger finally agrees. Let's go down the slide. Mr. Tiger, the little mouse is excited. Tiger follows the little mouse and climbs on the slide. Oh, ouch! Tiger falls. His legs points up. Little mouse can't stop giggling. Mr. Tiger, let's try again. The tiger goes and he falls again. But instead of being angry, he laughs out loud. It's the first time other animals see Tiger laugh. They are very surprised. They all burst into laughter. Their happiness fills the air and lifts the sky. Now Tiger knows how fun playing with everyone can be.